Hello friends, this is Aditi and today in this video we are going to know about the benefits of flax seeds. But before getting ahead, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, swipe down and subscribe it and ring the notification bell so you can never miss an update. So let's get started. So friends, let us know what is flax seeds. So flax seeds are being used since ages for the numerous health benefits they provide. Recent researchers called tiny shiny seeds as superfood due to the goodness they provide us with. If not chewed properly, flax seeds will not give any health benefits, and that is why many people prefer soaking them and grind them for easy consumption. So now the question is how much we should have it at daily basis. You can have it just 1 teaspoon in a day. So friends, let us know some of its benefits. So flax seeds provide us with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 cannot be made by our body and thus we need to take it. From our diet, omega-3 are the good fats and are beneficial for our brain, heart and boosts immunity also. So now let us know about lignans. What are lignans? Lignans are the antioxidants that boost immunity and support digestion and are great for balancing hormones. You will be surprised to hear that flax seeds contain 75 to 800 times more lignans than any other plant food. So let us know how it contains fiber. So flax seeds swell up to 9 times in our stomach. They are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber that supports digestion. The high fiber content of these tiny seeds make them perfect for weight loss also. Now let us know it have a protective effect against some cancers also. Flax seeds can have a protective effect against prostate cancer, breast cancer and colon cancer. The omega-3 ALA found in these seeds also inhibit tumor growth and incidence. The lignans in the seeds also help by blocking the enzymes and interfering with the growth and spread of tumor cells also. So, as you know, flax seeds are rich in protein. The protein in flax seeds is rich in amino acids, arginine, aspartic acid and glutamic acid. Studies have found that protein in flax seeds improve immune function, lowered cholesterol, had antifungal properties and prevent tumors. As you can see in the picture, flax seeds have more protein than egg also. So now the question is how to include flax seeds in your daily diet. You can mix them in yogurt, sprinkle them on your fruits, put them in your smoothies, add them to your breakfast cereals, add the powder form in your chapati and bread or have a teaspoon alone. So thanks for watching. We'll meet again with new information a very next day. For then, bye bye.